Okay, guys, so when you draw this flower today, you're not just going to put your paper down next to it and try to draw it. No, that's not how it works. With this method, you're going to take your paper, take your picture of your flower, okay? You're going to flip your flower upside down either way. You can do it this way, you can do it this way, you can do it this way. It doesn't matter. You just cover it up with the copy paper, okay? You have drawing paper, copy paper, and the flower picture. Pencil and eraser. That's all you need. The first thing you're going to need to do on the drawing paper, and we know this is drawing paper because it's thicker, the copy paper is thinner. You're going to put your name on the back in the corner, okay, so you can read it nicely in the corner. Don't scratch it across the middle. Here's your paper you're drawing on. Here's the paper you're drawing from. Now what you do is you cover up the picture. Okay? The reason is because every once in a while you're going to move down just a little bit your copy paper. Okay? And you're going to draw what you see. So I say to myself, the flower, and you can even line up your paper a little bit if you want to help you. But see how there's room from the top? So I'm going to make this first top line that curves around and that comes over and comes out and comes back in. And these two should line up because it's flat here where the paper is. Then on the inside, you have this like U-shaped. Okay? Next, you're going to move down your two pieces of paper a little bit. Now, over here, and you can even do this. You can lift it up and this comes out, comes down a little bit. This comes down and out a little bit. This is like an oval. There's a circle here. There's a little oval here. Another circle. Then over here, there's this hooky shape that comes back, comes down, has this little bump on the back, and comes over. Now, if it's not perfectly even, don't worry about it, okay? You just want to look at the lines that you're going to be drawing. That's the whole point of doing this. Before sometimes you break them up into the grid. This is like the next step of how to learn how to draw, okay? So, you're just going to keep moving down and drawing a little bit more at a time. I would go back and forth. I would draw this side, then this side, then this side, then this side, then this side. You're going back and forth. And if it's not perfect, guess what? Guess what? Who cares? You're not going to be, it's a flower, so if it's off a little bit, that's fine because every flower is different. Okay, do you get the idea?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll have you can see the example on the hanging on the board when you're done. Okay.